It's Garnett versus Howard in the Battle of the Bigs in Orlando. Tony T here from Gamblers Television, where we cover sports from a point spread perspective. That's right, point spread talk has returned to television, so be sure to tell all your friends about our show because we know you guys like to get down on the NBA, and we've got you covered right here on Tony T Sports Bets on GamblersTelevision.com. Our TV show page at www.gamblerstelevision.com is updated once, sometimes even twice a day with point spread coverage from the major sports and betting tips from the NBA, so you guys make sure you check it out daily. Now it's time for our NBA point spread coverage, so let's get it started. We go to the East here. It's Boston at Orlando. Orlando a 7-point home underdog, 1 o'clock Eastern time. ABC will televise. Look, this past Wednesday night, Boston ran into a buzzsaw, into a hot shooting Toronto club who shot 58% from the field and 71% from the three-point line, as the Raptors' hot perimeter shooting allowed them to put 114 points on the board against the Celtics. But Toronto had 0 fast break points in this game, so you could pretty much classify this win by the Raptors as just a hot night from downtown. Unlikely you're going to see this type of shooting from the Magic. And inside the paint, Big Baby Davis and Kevin Garnett should contain the Magic from easy hoops. The advantage in this game will be the Celtics' outside tandem of Pierce and Ray Allen, who are much better than the Magic guards. So I like Boston in this game, so give me Boston minus a 7. Be sure to visit and book my TV show page at www.gamblerstelevision.com for continuous point spread coverage from the Super Bowl, the NBA, and college basketball.